Take a ride in the 2023 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control electronic, premium brakes, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.